Welcome. In this video, we'll explore how to troubleshoot and fix Messenger notification issues on your device. Here are the steps to help you resolve this problem. Begin by checking your online status on Messenger to ensure that you are actively connected to the internet and available to receive notifications. Verify the status of the Messenger service itself. Sometimes, service disruptions can impact the delivery of notifications. Check for any reported outages or issues with the Messenger service. Manage your notification settings within the Messenger app. Make sure that notifications are enabled for the specific types of messages or activities you want to be alerted about. Check your device's notification settings to ensure that notifications are allowed for the Messenger app. Adjust any settings that may be preventing notifications from coming through. Lastly, ensure that your Messenger app is up to date by downloading the latest version from the Google Play Store. Updating the app can address any known notification-related bugs and improve overall performance. By following these steps, you can troubleshoot and fix Messenger notification issues on your device. We hope this guide helps you in resolving any notification problems you may be facing with Messenger. Thank you for watching.